Welcome to ATech. In this video, you will learn how to recover Gmail password without phone and recovery email. So let's get started. First of all, open Google app, then on right corner, click on App Info. Here you will see Permissions option. Tap on it. Here you will see Locations, tap it and choose Don't Allow. And tap on Don't Allow Anyway again. Now open Google Chrome. Then on right corner, click on App Info. Here you will see Permissions option. Tap on it. Here you will see Locations, tap it and choose Don't Allow. And tap on Don't Allow Anyway again. And minimize it. Now open Google Play Store. Here in search bar, type Opera Mini. Click the first app, and install it. After installing Opera Mini, tap on Open button, and set it as a default browser. Now click on google.com and on this page you will see Sign In option. Click on it. Here type your Gmail, that you want to recover. Now tap on Next. Now you don't have password, so tap on Try Another Way. Choose how you want to sign in, so tap on Try Another Way. Again click on Try Another Way. Here Google may ask for phone, so again tap on Try Another Way. Now click on Try Another Way to sign in. Here you will see Couldn't sign you in. So don't click on Try Again, doing this can lock your Gmail account permanently. Now minimize it. And open Phone Setting. In Settings open Google. And here on top right corner click on three dots. Here you will see Help option. Tap on it. Here in search bar, type Lost or Stolen Phone. Click on Fix Common Issues. Then tap on Recover Your Account. Now tap on Tips to complete account recovery. A new page opens. Here click on Account Recovery page. And it will take you to account recovery process. Now again type email that you want to recover. Then type Next. Here Google may ask for fingerprint, face or screen lock. So click on Continue and unlock your phone, and here you will see Welcome Back option. Here you will see Update Password option, so click on Update Password. Here type your strong password and then again confirm it. So in this way you can recover Gmail password without phone and recovery email. If you found this video helpful, do like it and subscribe my channel for more tech updates.